Ladies and gentlemen of the media, airbus scandal is a big corruption case. I have been, I'm beginning after Watergate scandal. I mean, scandal be so damning as a guy airbus as compensation to the tune of $4 billion. Yet you grow my economy, I say, or my penivia could deep play mudra. I'm a Ghana, I found one risika. This is an opportunity for the office of the special prosecutor to act and retrieve some money back into the coffers of the people of Ghana. This is an opportunity. So Cecilia Dapaah can go to Cecilia Dapaah's house when we all know say the money no or got to no anti-CC ono. Obi antimi establish say anti-CC Ghana sika and then obi sika so twena boso. Na former president obedi o man so da or some person samba. Airbus clearly a competent court of jurisdiction in the UK and in America has found himself is culpable. What are we waiting for? And he's coming back. He's seeking the highest office of the land, and we are watching. Say corruption be check corruption be. This involves huge sums of state funds. Ghana for Lusu. So we are telling the office of the special prosecutor, if before November 16th, now we're acting immediately by calling the former president to investigate him there, then maybe we will advise ourselves and say, yes, you are acting. But if not, that's your training until here. We will make sure the picketing will continue and will continue until justice is given to the people of Ghana. After all, what?
Like and subscribe and click on the notification. Happy FM, Nimdie, Happy FM, and Nijenkwa.